Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. I'm out running errands. I've already worked, been to the Goodwill, went to an estate sale and found a bunch of teacups. I am headed to the greenhouse. I need some plants, and then I went to Aldi and got soil, and I just returned a dress to Kohl's. And let me tell you guys, I think they've straight up lost their mind. So I made an order online, which I often do because easy. Well, the dress came and it really didn't fit me very good. It was a little big in the top. Took it back because I love the dress, but it wasn't going to work. So I took it back. Well, I came in to take it back, and I go up to the register. Now, when Kohl's mails you packages, you don't get a packing slip, a receipt, anything like that. So I walked up, and she was like, first she asked me if it was an Amazon return. I'm like, girl, no, here's your Kohl's bag. It came in. And then she's like, okay, well, where's your receipt? Girl, it was shipped to me. Here's your packaging, shipping package. Okay, whatever. Do you have your order number? I'm like, well, usually I just swipe my credit card and scan the item, and it brings it all up. So she's like, okay, well, here, punch in your social security number. What planet do you live on? I am not typing my social security number anywhere. Call me a Karen if you want. And I was nice about it. I was like, yeah, I'm not putting my social security number in there. She just smiled. She's like, okay, I need something. So I had to get online. So this Kohl's happens to be in a dead zone for me, so I have to get into their internet. I'm just going to stand there because I got to return this. Anyway, I returned it. It's fine. But I did have to run into Sephora. Okay, have to is a stretch, but I wanted to. I don't know if you've ever tried these. Isle of Paradise. I got these in a sample last year, and I love them. These are self-tanning drops, and they don't make you turn orange. So it's a bottle like this. I wonder what they smell like, because mine looked a little different, but I think it was just, yeah, they don't smell. I was hoping it smelled like coconut. Basically, this is face and body. I got the light because I'm basically pale and pasty, so the medium was a little much for me that I got in my sample. But this is for your body and your face. You can either just smear the oil, but what I do is I put a drop in my moisturizer in the morning and rub it on, and it tends to go on very even. This one I can use in my body lotion as well, because we all know with my little pre-cancer skin stuff, I'm not sitting out in the sun, and I wouldn't tan anyway. So these are great. I got these, and then I have my trips coming up, which I probably mention in every video. Sorry, but it's true. And the flight over and back, the flight from Atlanta to Rome is 9.5 hours, I think. So, and then I have a 2-hour flight from Columbus to Atlanta. Basically, I'm going to be on a plane for a whole long time on the way over and on the way back. So I picked up this Summer Fridays kit, and it's all small size, so I can bring it on the plane to keep moisturized, because I'm very dry. On a good day, don't worry about putting me in a plane. So I only get one of these, which is sad, but it's jet lag eye patches. So I'll do these on my way over. Set of eye patches, you put them under your eye. So I got those. It's all moisturizing stuff, right? Because that's what we need on the plane. This is Summer Fridays jet lag mask. And it says, on clean, dry skin, apply a thin, even layer. Maybe use under and over the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Blot with a cloth if necessary. No need to rinse. So it's just a thick moisturizer. I wonder what it smells like. The reason I bought this kit is because these are all in little tiny containers, so I can bring them on the plane with me. I mean, I can bring other stuff, but ooh, no smell. I'll put some on because I just smeared it when I went to go sniff it. 0 scent, which is ideal for me. Ooh. Like today, I'm very dry right here. This is my dry zone around my mouth and wrinkles. Oh, that feels nice. Oh yeah, I can't wait for that. So I got my jet lag bat. And basically I'll just put these products in my carry-on bag with me. Oh, eye serum for overnight. You can do that. That must be a sample. Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydration Mist. So I got some Beekman 1802, but you just shake it and mist it on your face. It has like moisturizers in it, which is perfect. I'm just taking everything out of the little box because it will get packaged up. My directions on what everything is. And then this is Jet Lag Deep Hydration Serum. And smooth over clean skin, follow with your favorite serum and moisturizer. So in the morning, once I've been on the plane all night, I'll put a little bit of this on my face before I put my hyaluronic acid and my moisturizer on. So here's, I mean, it's just a little tiny little kit, but it's gonna help my skin immensely, feel better when I get there. Yeah, so that was $34 for that little kit, but oh, that feels so good. And no, that's my return of my dress. So I'm gonna do some girl math for you, but the Sephora kit, the Summer Fridays kit was $34, and the self-tanning was $29. So I spent $67.25 in Sephora, but I returned $35. So I net somewhere out there in the 20s. That's how my math works. I don't know, 30s maybe, who knows. But I'm starting to get my stuff together and packing. My trip is in about 3 weeks, but I need to start like figuring out what I'm bringing with me. And as I am, you know, like cleaning and packing and stuff, my bedroom and putting things away, if I see something, I pull it out so I don't forget it. But right now I'm kind of focusing on my health and beauty, HBAs, health and beauty aids. Like I have travel size of a lot of things that I collect. So I have already pulled out my shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, put a comb in my toiletry bag because I forgot a comb when I went to Canada, and hairspray. So, and they're all small little containers. So I just hung my toiletry bag on my door handle. And then as I think of things, so I got some teeth flossers, so I will put those in there. I have Q-tips. I got to find my small deodorant or pick some up because I don't think I have any travel deodorant. Yeah, so just as I see things when I'm getting ready for work in the morning, I'm like, ooh, I need to pack that. So, and then I'm making a mental list of anything that I need to purchase because this is a long trip. We're going to be gone 12 days. So in a country that I'm not familiar with. Not that I can't purchase things there, but like I need to make sure I have my medicine. I need to make sure I have like my Sudafed and my ibuprofen, like allergy stuff. And I'm trying to pack my carry-on bag pretty light because I say light relatively, but my laptop, I'm bringing my iPad to edit videos and stuff. So I have my iPad and I have a charging brick, and those two things are kind of heavy. So I'm trying to make everything else lightweight. And so that's where, plus you have amounts you can only bring on. But that's where these little serums and potions and stuff come in that I bought in the travel size, because these are small, and leaving here to go overseas is not really a big deal for me. I have TSA pre-check, so I don't have to pull out all my liquids. But when I come home, international airports tend to be a little more strict with putting liquids in the proper size bag. So I need to make sure. I'm not bringing too terribly much more makeup wise than what you see here. I will throw a little Aquaphor, one more face mask or under eye mask for the way back, just because I get so dry. Speaking of dry, I also will be packing, and I'll do a video, but I will also be packing electrolyte mixes for drinking. If you want to avoid jet lag, keep your skin moisturized, and keep your body hydrated. Stay away from the liquor. I probably need to lay off the coffee on the plane, maybe, and hydrate. So I'll be bringing water and electrolytes to drink. I usually drink 2 electrolyte packets from on a long flight. So there's that. So I'm starting to collect some things as I see them. And I had never tried the Summer Fridays, but oh, that felt so soothing on my skin. I'm gonna like this. I may have to buy some of the bigger product, but not right now. So that's good. I have serums and potions and lotions, and I have my toiletry bag picked out. I thought I had my backpack picked out, but Bag Smart reached out to me if I want to do a collaboration with them. And I'm like, well, yeah, I need a new backpack, don't I? I already have one. I got my level 8 luggage. I just need to bring it upstairs, and I have my level 8 toiletry bag that they sent me, which will both be perfect. And then I have several backpacks, but if they want to send me a new one, I'll be all on board with trying a new backpack. Just trying to make it not so heavy, because I'm going to be carrying it around a lot. So there's that. Oh, and snacks. I'll need snacks. I've been trying different protein bars. I just tried a Built Bar. That's not going to work for me. Maybe my sugar go too high. So I've been trying different brands and seeing what it does to me, which is fun. All right, let's go to the greenhouse, shall we? All right, we're at Fisher's Garden near my house. I'm looking for some outdoor plants. It's busy today. It's Mother's Day weekend. So I figured it would be busy. I don't need vegetables. I need to go inside and get a cart. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm so getting this to grow inside. Oh my God, so bright. All right, we're gonna pot this plant. Oh, in this pot I made at my last pottery class, and I've never put a plant in it. So it's getting one now, and it's gonna get this, which I think is gonna be perfect. And this is a Persian shield, it's called. So part sun, shade, but I can grow it indoors. I know. So I'm going to get it in its pot. I'm planting some stuff. And then I got to learn how to keep this thing alive and pruned. I'll show you when I'm done. All right. Well, the sun's kind of glaring, but this is what the planter's going to look like. I have some more coleus coming that I'll scatter about. There's Wellington. He likes to come out with me. I just watered. He's looking for fresh water because the bowls isn't good enough for him. Here we will have a tropical sun patient that I don't have yet. It's coming tomorrow. And then my petunias, a black one. I think they're petunias. Black, the purple and white, dark purple, and then there's some white or yellow. My spider plant that I'm trying to get to grow this way. And then here is the start of this show, the Persian shield. Look at the color. Now, from what I've read, indirect sunlight, lots of humidity. If you put too much sun on it, if you notice how these are dark and that's kind of lighter, they'll fade. And the cat treats. I need him to take his medicine. Why are you yelling at me? What you want? Huh? He's mad. He'll get over it. He wants his water. He has water in the house. He was drinking out of the water that was down there, but I washed it and put dirt. I just want him to take his medicine. So in the one treat that he probably won't eat, so there's 2 temptations and one that has his nightly medicine hidden in it. So we'll see if he'll eat the one that has his medicine. Lately, I've been having to just put it in his mouth. But we'll see. Sometimes he eats it, sometimes he doesn't. I think he knows what's in there, if we're being truthful. But I really need him to do this so my neighbor can give him his medicine while I'm away. Yeah, see, he knows. Ugh. Middle smarty pants. All right, I'll get him his medicine. Have a good one. I hope you enjoyed my little weekend vlog.